And welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, firstly, I'm really sorry I'm not making videos because I have left the cruise ship, but still I will be continuing making videos and informing you about cruise ship life. So today's video is about, I've been working in BKC. So I have noticed that a lot of people are going for biometrics and US Embassy. So in today's episode, I am going to tell you how to reach to US Embassy or for your biometrics, minimum fare. People are paying for auto rickshaw, taxi, Uber and all that. But today I'm going to tell you how to reach to US Embassy or for your biometrics in minimum fare. So please guys, watch this video till the end.
So firstly, you need to take a train. Remember, if you are coming from Western or a Central line, Central is a Kurla and the Western is Bandra. So train is the most cheapest. I think the fare is for around 15 rupees, and if you are taking a return, 30 rupees, not more than that. So you can take it. So once you take a train, you can see this train. Oh, such a lovely train. Then you'll reach to.
So guys, you can see I reached Bandra. Now what is the time? It's 10. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to reach from Bandra station. Your job is to reach to Bandra station. Once you reach to Bandra station, how you're going to reach to biometrics or US Embassy is very close by in minimum fare, and how much time it will take. So the US Embassy and the biometrics is in eastern side. So that is called Bandra East, Bandra Kula complex. All you need to do is you need to take this bridge. So keep walking towards east. Remember this, east.
Walking to the eastern side, and once the bridge is over, you will see a lot of autos standing there. Now these are the sharing autos. The fare is 30 rupees, but if you don't want to take this sharing autos, there is another way also, which is bus. So you can see, and you can even take a private. The fare will go up to 100 rupees. That's it. But I'll tell you the most cheapest way to reach to Bandra Kurla complex, the US biometrics, is to take this route. Ask anyone where's the depot. It hardly is 300 meters away from the station. So keep walking straight and enjoy the view. I know guys, the view is not that great, but this is Mumbai, my home. So you see that bridge, that small bridge connecting to the another side of the road. Now there is the bus depot.
Guys, you can see there, that is the bus stop, bus depot. It's hardly 300 to 400 meters away from the station. Again I say, whenever you are coming to Bandra East, okay, and I'll tell you which bus to catch. So I am entering inside the bus depot, you can see. Again I'll tell you, it's hardly 300 meters away from the station. All you need to do is reach to Bandra station. If you are coming from Central line, the station name is Kurla. You can see some bus are leaving. This is a double-decker bus. This is a single-decker bus. Our bus number is 3. See, that bus is already left. I need to catch another bus now. That was my bus. So this is the stop. You can see the bus depot over here, how the bus depot look like. So this is your stop. Let me take a ticket. Taken a ticket, you can see this, and it's only for 6 rupees because it's a AC bus. If a normal bus, it's only 5 rupees. So I have taken a ticket, and from the station I'll be going to the US biometrics. I am not going to US. I work in that building in real estate company. I left the job, as I told you, the cruise ship job, but I'm going to make videos. I'm not going to stop making videos and informing you about it. So by the way, this ticket cost me only 6 rupees. That's it. So guys, this building, you can see the oval shape.
that is ONGC. The bus will take a right turn from here. Now you can see the building. See, the bus is taking a right turn. This is the building where your biometric is located, and you will see a lot of people are waiting for their turn to go inside for a biometrics. I work in the same building, so if you want to meet me, you can. You can see how many people standing. They all are standing for biometrics. So I reached to Parini Crescenzo, the biometrics, only paying 5 rupees. That's it. You can see how many people, and this is the last stop. So you don't have to worry, you don't have to catch a rig or something. Just take a bus. There is a AC bus, 6 rupees is charged, and you can reach to Parini Crescenzo, your US biometric place, only for 6 rupees. And over there, that side, just 200 meters away, US Embassy. All you need to do, take like a 2 minutes walk and you will reach to US Embassy, and here is biometrics. So well guys, this was the video how to reach to Parini Crescenzo US biometric, where it is located, and there you can see US Embassy. I reached to this place from station within not even half an hour, within 20 minutes. All I request you to do, whenever you reach to Bandra station, you need to get down to eastern side, take a bus and reach over here. You don't have to pay much fare. Okay, so I'll keep making video and informing you about cruise ship. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.